Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, here's that completed $7.99. I got the handrails installed, and it actually looks quite nice. You'd never know it was that green monster that I started with, that's for sure. Anyway, it looks nice, it runs really well, it has a working headlight, and it was 10 bucks. So I just wanted to do a video with the railings installed. This actually turned out to be a really nice little diesel engine. As you can see, it looks good, it runs really well. It was really inexpensive, and I never used this one simply because it was bright green. And now that it's painted, it actually looks as good as the 588. In fact, I think it looks better than the 588. This color is really complementary to these Marx locomotives. Like I said, it really brings out the detail, and it's a good neutral color. It just looks nice. Much better than black, I think. Anyway, I just wanted to do a follow-up video on this. It came out really well. It only took a few minutes to do this, and there's just a few coats of paint on that. Like I said, I lightly misted it, and then you can begin covering it. But all in all, it took maybe 3 minutes to paint this. And I did it right here in the train room on a cardboard box. And it works well. It covers really well. It's a great color. So hammered metallic pewter, and this is Rust-Oleum. So I just wanted to do a quick follow-up on this. It's a really nice little locomotive. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.